As an attorney, I've had the opportunity to represent many students just like yourself. As an attorney, I have a couple of topics that I need you to learn about, and maybe your parents didn't quite talk to you about them. The first topic is alcohol. You have to learn about alcohol. What we know for sure is that it's illegal to use it under 21 years of age in Michigan. We also know that using alcohol can have severe repercussions. Of course, if we use alcohol while driving, we could face serious criminal charges relating to that act. But more importantly, we can seriously injure or hurt someone else when we choose to engage in those dangerous behaviors. In Michigan, marijuana has been legalized for recreational use by those 21 years of age and older. However, under federal law, marijuana and other controlled substances are still illegal to use. We may not think about some of the repercussions that could happen to us as students when we use marijuana. For example, if you're convicted of a drug crime, you may not be able to obtain any kind of student loan financing. Further, if you want to apply to grad school and you have a conviction for use of a controlled substance on your record, it's quite possible that you'll be rejected from that grad school only for that reason. Thinking longer term, your employment opportunities could also be hindered with that kind of conviction on your record. You must also recognize that even some narcotics that may be legal to use with a proper prescription are still illegal if you abuse them or use them outside of a doctor's orders. In college, we hear about students using Adderall all the time. And if you obtain that Adderall or another narcotic, another controlled substance without a proper prescription from your healthcare provider, you could be charged with a crime. And if you're convicted, that can have long-lasting effects on your future educational and employment opportunities. Artificial intelligence presents great opportunities for you as a student today. It can help you write papers, it can help you write correspondence, and it can do a lot of other things. But unfortunately, a lot of students are using programs such as ChatGPT to write papers for them across all educational institutions. That's called plagiarism, and it's not allowed. Every institution of higher learning is going to have different policies regarding the use of artificial intelligence in coursework. I encourage you to find those policies, read those policies, learn those policies, and abide by those policies in your studies. If you or a loved one find yourself charged with a crime or think that you may be charged with a crime, contact the attorneys at Foster Swift today.